Hello, we're at 2245 Larkin. This is apartment 1. It's a 2-bedroom unit. We are located in the Russian Hill neighborhood. This particular unit is on the first story. Here's a look at the lobby and then we'll dive into the apartment. Incidentally, at the far back of that section of the lobby, one set of stairs down to where the laundry is. Okay, so there is on-site laundry, 2 washers, 2 dryers, and this building uses an app called Shine Pay, so you don't have to worry about coins. Okay, coming into the apartment, come into a hallway. We'll start here with the kitchen first. It's a kitchen with a dining nook. Black granite countertops, black and white tile floor, plenty of cabinet space. Got a gas range and a fridge. Here's some information about how to apply for the apartment and room dimensions, etc., that you'll see when you come visit in person. All right, as we come back through the hallway, now we're in a central foyer for the apartment. And off of this foyer is a coat closet straight ahead. And then also you can access this large walk-in closet from the foyer, but you can also get to it from the bedroom side as well. Which brings me to bedroom number 1 here, which is the larger of the 2 bedrooms. I think you could do a king-size bed in here, no trouble. This unit has electric wall-mounted heat, so you'll see one in this room, one in the living room, and one in the other bedroom. Here's the door to get into the other side of that large walk-in. Okay. Then, incidentally, these French doors here between the bedroom and living room can be open or closed as you like. Actually, there's the other heater. Okay. Coat closet. Now we're stepping into the living room. The cable coiled up there on the floor, that is the wiring for Comcast, otherwise known as Xfinity. All right, so the living room looks out onto the sidewalk here. And this is Larkin Street at Union. So it really is in a wonderful central, kind of the heart of Russian Hill. You got all kinds of shops and restaurants and cafes on Hyde, 1 block this way, and then Polk in the other direction. So lots to do, very walkable neighborhood. Okay, here is bedroom number 2. It is the smaller of the 2. I'd say like twin size bed small, okay? Prior tenant used this as a home office, but it does have a window, a closet, and a door, so it could function as a small bedroom or be whatever type of space you might need, right? Closet there, heater. I know so many people are working from home right now. Okay, last we will check out the bathroom. All right, shower over tub. Same black and white tile floor in here as the kitchen, so nice consistent style. And we got a medicine chest and cabinet here under the bathroom sink. All right, so that is a quick look at the unit. I'll step outside now so you can continue watching if you want to see a street view. All right. Okay, this building does have a telephone entry system. And there is also an optional storage locker available. Okay, so there's the intersection of Larkin and Union. Here we are at the front of the building. And the window there on the right is the small bedroom, and the window on the left is the living room of the unit we were just in, okay, to give you some idea. And the storage locker is accessible here from this side door, and it's $95 a month if you wanted extra space, okay? Thanks so much for watching. This has been 2245 Larkin, Apartment 1.